MetaTrader 4, or MT4, is a standalone online trading platform that can automate your trades. While it's most commonly associated with forex, you can use MT4 to speculate on other markets as well. One of MT4's key benefits is its low latency execution, ensuring your trades are processed in ultra-fast time. And with a wide choice of expert advisors and add-ons available, you can build and backtest trading strategies. You can even use MT4 to build your own algorithms from scratch. So why should you choose IG for your MT4 trading? Well, by downloading the platform with us, you'll benefit from consistently low spreads on a wide range of markets, including major and exotic currency pairs, indices such as the FTSE 100, German 30 and Wall Street, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether, and commodities including gold, silver and oil. Then, of course, there's our range of bespoke apps, enabling you to tailor MT4's charts, interface, and functionality to your preferences. You'll discover 18 free add-ons and indicators, as well as Auto Chartist and 2 expert advisors. We'll even provide you with a virtual private server, so your advisors can continue to execute trades when your PC is switched off. Lastly, there's our service. We use in-house technology to provide our MT4 offering, which means it's highly reliable. You'll also have access to 24-hour support from our global MT4 specialists, who are here to help you get the most out of your time on the markets, day or night. To learn more about MT4 and its features, subscribe to IG.